Some people say that invasive species is not a problem, that it is a test for survival of the fittest. Some may also argue that it introduces new species to different places and preserves biodiversity. But does it really? Invasive species are actually decreasing the biodiversity of the world by killing off indigenous species. They are damaging crops and bringing new diseases. They are dangerous to regional ecosystems, and the results negatively affect the economy.
Invasive species are primarily spread by human activities, often unintentionally. People as well as the goods we use travel around the world very quickly, carrying uninvited species with them. Take the Galapagos, for example. The Galapagos is abundant in different species. It has been so isolated that some species have been around since prehistoric times. Some native animals include giant tortoises, land iguanas, birds like the blue-footed booby, dolphins, sharks, and many different types of sea turtles.
The native species of the Galapagos have evolved and thrived in a world of little competition. In recent years, a certain species of goats have taken over the grasslands. Many native animals, including giant tortoises, are being negatively affected. The goats are eating their food sources and destroying their habitats. The tortoises are not the only ones being affected by the goats. Many other land creatures are too. Stopping invasive species will help preserve the maximum numbers of species. You can help save the animals by donating to the Galapagos Conservancy at www.galapagos.org or call 703-383-0077.
A member of Maryland's House of Representatives, Steny Hoyer, stated in one of his speeches that 50% of federally endangered animals are harmed by invasive species. They have cost the United States over $130 billion each year on conservation projects. Recent studies have shown that there are over 50,000 types of invasive species, and the numbers are increasing.
Locally in Virginia, the aggressive northern snakehead fish are overpopulating the Potomac River. They originated from Asia and Africa. They are introducing a new fungus which is killing native fish species. Snakeheads are dangerous, and they have the potential to eventually invade the James River.
There are many techniques that are being used to control invasive species. Eradicating is possible but can be hard concerning large populous species. Manually, mechanically, and chemically controlling species would mostly concern plants. This would include plucking, burning, mowing, tilling, and using pesticides. Biological controlling, or grazing, is the use of animals to control invasive species. Cultural manipulation of forest structure can also keep invasive species from entering the ecosystem.
Some of you may be asking, how do I know if a species I found is invasive to the region? You can visit your local park or zoo. Information can also be provided at nature centers or aquariums. Help the endangered animals.
Help the Galapagos.
Help stop the invasion.
Control invasive species.
Report it.
Help increase biodiversity. Stop animals from going extinct.
Help stop the endangered animals. Did I mess that up?
Yes.
Help stop the endangered animals. I freaking messed up.
$130 billion each year on
Potomac River. They originated from
Africa?
The species I found is I can't do it.